Evening, everyone. The allegedly abused animals rescued from a Bellevue PetSmart are costing the city tens of thousands of dollars.
That's according to the district attorney's office. News Channel 5's Kyle Horan joins us now. And Kyle, rehabilitating these animals has been a lot of work.
Right, and that's because they've had to give them so much medical attention. If you remember, these animals were all rodents, and this issue was brought to light by PETA. Now the city is prosecuting the people who are charged with the crime.
You wouldn't really be able to tell. These rodents, 2 guinea pigs and 4 mice, were once in such bad shape they were near death. Now they're enjoying leafy greens multiple times a day and fully healed because the city has paid tens of thousands of dollars in medical bills to make them better. Partly,
they did have pneumonia, yes.
Because it's the right thing to do.
One of them had a bulging eye.
And partly because they're evidence in the case. Just ask the assistant district attorney in charge, Katie Latafoget.
Animal control has gone to extensive lengths to bring them back to health. They are all very healthy now, but it required operations on a number of them to get them healthy.
The exact number of the cost is a little iffy, but we're talking as much as $25,000, and that number is growing.
Because we have to provide them food and vet care because they're all fragile.
Let's take a look back at the video that sparked all of this. Recognize any of these animals? Look at the open wounds. Latafoget says they weren't doing too hot internally either.
The shape that these animals were in when we seized them was really bad. It wasn't just like, they had matted fur or small injuries. It was of the significance that they must have been in a great deal of pain. All of them. It's pretty severe.
The case is mounting against the alleged abusers who were employees at the Bellevue PetSmart, and the city plans to pursue it as far as they can.
Cases like these where the most vulnerable of creatures, an animal that really can't look out for itself, that have been abused really need to be prosecuted fully.
And just within the past hour, we did get a statement from a PetSmart spokesperson. I'm going to read it to you right now. PetSmart has contacted the DA on 4 separate occasions dating back to April 11, in which we expressed a desire to retain ownership of the pets, have the pets examined by an independent veterinarian, and offered to pay all of the vet bills while the pets were in the care of the DA's office. Despite our efforts, we have received no response. Our offer still stands. Reporting live in Bellevue, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.